We know that the total solid angle inside a closed surface is equal to focal at any point. The total solid angle at any point inside a closed surface is equal to focal. Now we go on electric flux. What do you mean by electric flux? If we take a surface, so what is the electric flux? Electric flux is the electric lines of force passing perpendicularly through a surface. That is called electric flux. Electric flux is the electric lines of force. The electric lines of force passing perpendicularly through the surface is called electric flux. Electric flux is a scalar quantity, electric field is a vector quantity, and plane area is a vector quantity, and dot product of two vectors is a scalar quantity. So always we will take dot product of area vector and the electric field. So first of all, we will go on electric flux. Electric flux. The total electric lines of force passing perpendicularly through a surface is called electric flux. Electric flux is a scalar quantity, electric field is a vector quantity, plane area is a vector quantity, curved area is a scalar quantity. So suppose that there is a curved area, and how we will take the vector concept for that area? So we will take the smallest area of that curved surface, and the smallest area will be plane, and then we will take the dot product of electric field. We will take the dot product of electric field. Now expression for electric flux. Expression for electric flux. Expression for the electric flux. Suppose that this is a curved surface and we have taken a small area, and a small area will be plane, and it is a vector quantity. So area vector will be perpendicular to that surface. So, and suppose that this is a curved area and it is situated under the effect of uniform electric field. So first of all, we will take the small electric flux through the small area ds. That is electric flux. Let a curved surface is situated under the effect of uniform electric field. We take a small area vector ds. Let the small area vector ds match angle theta with the direction of uniform electric field. Uniform electric field. Electric flux through the small plane area. Electric flux through the small area. The small area vector. Electric flux through the small area vector. Area vector, that is d phi. D phi is equal to E dot ds. That is E ds cos theta. Electric flux is a scalar quantity. Electric field is a vector quantity. And the plane area is also a vector quantity, and the dot product of two vector is a scalar quantity. So we will try and write d phi is equal to E dot ds. Now, what is the total electric flux? So it will be integrated. So we will get the total electric flux through the whole area. Total electric flux through the whole area. Integration d phi is equal to integration E dot ds. For the closed surface, we write it is called surface integral of electric field. It is called surface integral of electric field. Surface integral of electric field. So what is phi? Phi is equal to surface integration. So surface integration of electric field. Surface integration of electric field. So what is electric flux? It is written as surface integration of electric field. If there is a closed surface, so we give the symbol for the closed surface, we give the electric flux as follows. For the closed surface, the electric flux is represented as phi is equal to S E dot ds. So electric flux is also called surface integral of electric field. So electric flux is also called the surface. So electric flux is also called the surface integration of electric field. Surface integration of electric field. SI unit of the electric flux. What is the SI unit of the electric flux? SI unit of the electric flux is equal to Newton a square meter per coulomb. That is Newton per coulomb into a square. Now we will go on Gauss theorem or Gauss law. What is Gauss law? Gauss law is given for the closed surface. Gauss law says that if there is a closed surface, then what is the total electric flux passing through that closed surface will be equal to 1 by epsilon of times by the charge enclosed by that surface. What is Gauss law? Gauss law says that if there is a closed surface and there is a charge or there are a number of charges inside that closed surface, so what is the electric flux passing through that closed surface will be equal to 1 by epsilon of times the total charge enclosed by that surface. So we will go on Gauss law in electrostatics. Gauss law in electrostatics. Gauss law in electrostatics. In electrostatics. Total electric flux. The total electric flux. The total electric flux passing through a closed surface, is equal to 1 by epsilon naught times the total charge enclosed by that surface. If the Q is the charge enclosed by a surface, closed surface, if Q is the charge, Q is the charge enclosed by the closed surface, then phi is equal to 1 by epsilon naught and or we write surface integral of electric field E dot ds is equal to 1 by epsilon naught. We can give proof of this.